Hi everyone, it's Irena and today I'm making stuffed mushrooms. Oh, they're delicious. So, if you can see here, I've got some mushrooms, some bacon, some onion, some cheese and some homemade breadcrumbs. So, I'm going to make that in the Cook Expert and then grill it. So, let's have a look here. So first of all, some extra virgin olive oil, and then the onions. You need to put the onions in and the bacon. Onions and the bacon, and then I'll take it back so that you know where I found it. We're going to go through here. You go through all the programs and you come to cooking. You press OK and then go through to the stir fry. Now the stir fry is going to sweat the onions and the bacon. So, as you can see here, I'll go OK, and you'll see here that it's 7 minutes on auto for 160 centimetres, degrees, 160 degrees. So it's going to give it a really nice little stir fry for 7 minutes. So now I'm not going to actually do that today. I'm explaining it to you. You would press auto, which is start, and let that 7 minutes go and give it a really nice stir fry. Once that has been completed, it'll be really juicy and delicious. Then I open it again, like so, and I pop in a couple of handfuls of the beautiful fresh breadcrumbs that I made. So you throw a couple of really good handfuls of the breadcrumbs into there and just turn it on for it. You can pulse it a couple of times just to give it a nice mix so that the lovely juices from the onion and the bacon go into those breadcrumbs. Now those breadcrumbs, I put some parsley and some lemon rind in there, so they're kind of delicious too. So you can really put your spices into those breadcrumbs if you like. Once that's all done, you take it and you spoon it over the top of your mushrooms. And then on top of that, you just put the cheese. Put lots of cheese on top of that, and into the oven it goes for about 10 minutes in a moderate oven, and it comes out absolutely superbly. Now, these are smaller mushrooms than these ones, but this is the end result. So you've done all of your prep work and everything in the Cook Expert. You've popped it in the oven, and this is what we get. So let's have a look. This is the mushroom, and it's just delicious. You can see the cheese and the mushroom and all the beautiful filling. Let's see. Oh, I need a bit of bacon onto that. Oh, yum. That's beautiful. Okay, I encourage you to try this because it's so easy and you can do all kinds of different fillings. So I'm going to ask you to put in your comments what sort of filling that you would like to put in your mushrooms. Remember, you can use curry type of fillings, you can use any type of fillings you like. Let's get creative. Give me some of your great suggestions and let's try them together. Okay, see ya.